Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my introduction of income tax part 3. Previous part under we covered assessee meaning those who are going to pay the tax. That person is called as assessee. Some person is called as a deemed assessee or representative assessee. This meaning is also be we covered in our previous class. Some assessee is called as the assessee in default. Income meaning we covered. Example of income. Tented income meaning we covered. Heads of income we covered. Then some example we covered regarding heads of income. Then gross total income meaning and formula we covered. Then total income meaning as well as the formula for calculating total income we covered. Now the next basic term of income tax. That one is a casual income. Name itself suggested. Casual. Casual means what? Without any effort, if any earn income. That kind of income is called as a casual income. These are income earned casually during the financial year without any effort. That kind of income is called as a casual income. So the meaning is very important one. And some example of casual income like winning from lottery, race, crossword puzzles, card games, betting, gambling. These all are example of this casual income. ಸೊ ಏನು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಜುವಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್: ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಬೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್, winning from lottery, winning from TV game shows. These all are example of casual incomes. Then next basic term is the exempted income. Some income is called as exempted income. The simple meaning of exempted income: tax-free incomes are called exempted income. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 100% ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ is called as a exempted income. Some example of exempted income: the first one is the agriculture income in India. Any sum received by an individual as a member of Hindu undivided family. A sum received under LIC. Any allowances or perquisites paid or allowed as such outside India by the government to the citizen of India for rendering services outside India. Scholarship granted to meet the cost of education. Income received in respect of mutual fund or UTI. Dividend received from domestic company. Interest received on post office SB account. SB account interest ಗೆ 3,500 rupees exempted limit ಇದೆ. So these all are exempted income in example. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಇವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So the income, agriculture income is one of the exempted income. What is this agriculture income and what are all example of agriculture income? Any rent or revenue derived from land, that rent or revenue is called as a agriculture income. Example of agriculture income: rent from agricultural land, profit on sale of standing crop, the produce after harvesting by the cultivating owner or tenant of the land. Along with this example, some more example of agriculture income like compensations received from an insurance company for damage of the crops, income from growing flowers and creepers, salary received by a partner for rendering services to the firm which is engaged in agriculture, interest on capital received by a partner from the firm engaged in agricultural operations. income from orchards, horticultures, floriculture, income from conversion of timber into planking, conversion of coconut into copra and rating ox. These all are major example of agriculture income in India. Suppose agriculture income outside India idre, it is 100% taxable. If it is land is situated in India and product is agriculture oriented, income earned in the land of agricultural, then that kind of income is fully exempted one, 100% exempted one. So this is all about our unit 1. So unit 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೇನ್ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, indirect tax, features of the direct tax and indirect tax, then income tax meaning, features of income tax, then basic terms of income tax. There are several basic terms like assessment year, previous year income, gross total income, tainted income, assessee, person. Then these all are basic terms of income tax. Even though this exempted income is also be one of the basic terms of income tax. So this is all about your unit 1. So next class onwards, next unit ಅನ್ನ start ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. That one is the residential status. Thank you for watching.